Hello, and today we're going to have a look at this bird phone, which is known as the Bird S296, which was released back in 2007. Now, I believe that this is a pretty rare phone. I haven't got an original charger for this, but I use my universal charger to charge it up. You take the battery out of the phone and place it in the charger. I'll show you that at the end of the video if you stick around. There we are. That's the front. Sides, charging port, and the back. It is unlocked to all networks. Yeah. Right. Let's put my SIM card in. I can't remember. Oh, just pop that open. You should lock back in place for that. This is the original battery, which is a very good battery. Click him in. Just power him on. Yeah, as you can see, UK Vodafone. Look at the menu. So look at the ringtones, if I can find them. Right, to start on number 1. Right, you got. settings, you have the menu, you have settings, tools, call log, phone book, mail, back to settings. You know, it's a very light phone. It's just a basic phone, but it is, I think it's quite rare. Right, I didn't have the original charger for this, I didn't, so I will show you the charger that I used to charge it up. This one here. You have the pins here, look, as you can see. Pins, you put the battery on there. You move that around to the terminals. Plug that in your phone, into your wall socket. It doesn't matter which way you put it around, because it's a safety thing. You'll charge it whichever way, as long as the one pin is on the live and the other one's on the other one. It don't matter if it's the wrong way around. So as long as it's on the two of them, it'll charge up. It has the flashing lights to tell you when it's charging and when it's complete. I got a couple of these, a couple of different ones. They're very handy, very handy indeed. Because if you can't get hold of the normal chargers to plug in, these ones are fantastic. As long as you've got a phone, you can take the battery out. These are really handy. Really handy indeed. So, yep. And there it is. It is the Bird S296, released back in 2007. The screen is locked now. Just hold your button on there, I believe. Yep. Just hold your finger down on the lock one there and it will unlock it. As usual, guys, thank you very much for watching. And I will be back pretty soon with another video. Please subscribe, and I'm going to ring this now. Here we go. As I said, thank you very much for watching, and I'll be back pretty soon with another video. And bye!